First, open this file first. Once opened, you should see a Verify button here, right? Click on it. After clicking, you'll see a window like this. It shows checking. That means it's scanning the whole package. This means it will verify everything, whether files are installed or downloaded. Once verification finishes, you'll see a check mark. That means all files passed. If yours doesn't show a check, something's wrong. The files are corrupted. So now all my files are fine. Next, you should run the setup executable. Before you hit OK, disable any virus protection. You may worry that turning off virus protection will trigger antivirus alerts. That's not always the case. Some games trip antivirus, others don't. I'm only covering the titles I've tested. I played and scanned them and found no viruses. An interface like this will pop up. After opening, locate the setup file. This is a FitGirl Repack. Enable Limit Installer to 2 GB RAM. I advise enabling it because during unpacking and install it helps. Sometimes unpacking can glitch or corrupt the structure. That's why I recommend limiting to 2 GB. Then press Next and enable all options. After that, install. If you have Wi-Fi, switch it on before installing because approximately 38 megabytes will download. The extra files are just 38 megabytes. After that, you can turn Wi-Fi off. Unpacking itself doesn't use much Wi-Fi but takes time. I fast-forwarded it. And I'm showing this for a reason. I'm showing it as a practical example of the install process. The installation steps are the same across games. For example, GTA 5, GTA 4, Spider-Man, God of War, etc. The interface looks similar for all of them, and maps too. You might be asking for GTA specifically. If not, show us GTA. I'm not showing GTA's install because I've already covered them before. I can't re-download it now. It takes too long and I lack space, so I won't repeat it. If you face errors before or after install, tell me in the comments and I'll help. I'll fix it for you guys. Okay everyone, please be patient while it unpacks. One more thing. Install time depends on your PC specs. If your PC is faster, installs go quicker. CPU and SSD matter a lot. My PC is mid-range, so for example how GTA 5 ran on mine. Wait, hold on. Turn Wi-Fi on now. Wi-Fi is needed because DirectX isn't bundled. Disable the last 2 files here. It's checking all files here. Only click Run after verification finishes. Checking takes time. Click Run. Once files are checked, approve the DirectX component. It shows install initializing and a download size of 98.2 MB. So now turn on Wi-Fi. That's why it asked. Then click Next. Click Next to the top. It will download and apply the DirectX update. It will take a short while since it's updating, not just downloading. After downloading and initializing, files will be copied. DirectX files go into the folder. After install, you also need to install Microsoft Visual C++, then the game is fully installed. You can close the installer. After closing, the game will launch automatically. A desktop shortcut for the game gets created. I'll click the icon and open the game again to show you. See, the game is running on my desktop. I guarantee FitGirl Repack installs work. Whether it runs depends on your hardware. Yes, games will run if your specs support them. I'm showing proof with the install. Thanks for watching. That's my FitGirl Repack setup and install guide.